Hi, I'm Sasha and I run Jesford Properties. I thought I would jump on and talk a little bit about the Boostly Academy. Now, I joined about a year ago and I joined because I was pretty much at the beginning of my business and I really wanted as much help as I could get with the marketing side of things and getting direct bookings, and the amount of value and content that Mark Simpson was putting out was amazing. I joined off the back of a 5-day challenge, which was incredible by itself, and it just made sense for me to join the academy. I knew I probably wouldn't use everything right then and there because I was still at the beginning, but I knew I loved the fact that the content and everything in the back office would be there when I needed it further down the line, which is one of the reasons that I really love the Boostly Academy, because it's like a library of resources. You can literally jump into the back office and pick what it is you might be looking for, whether it's what to do at Christmas, sending Christmas cards, which what I've just done for the first time, or Google your business, websites. There's so much in there that would benefit all hosts, whether you're new or whether you're experienced. There really is something for everybody. I would really recommend that anybody in the hospitality industry joins, regardless of what stage you're at, because for number one, it's really nice to be doing things as a team rather than by yourself. And also it's a really, really lovely community and network, which is one of the main reasons I'm stayed in the academy, because you can literally jump into the Facebook group, which is also part of it, ask a question and it will get answered. It's very, very active community. It's very friendly and it's like a little family. So I would 100% recommend the Boostly Academy, and I'm very pleased I joined.